Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on your Toyota Tundra. Once you get this thing fired up, you're going to be met with the message, maintenance required, visit your dealer. Let's say you change the oil yourself, you want to know how to reset this thing. Let's get into it. We're going to be focusing on these buttons on the steering wheel here. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and press the back button to clear that. And we're going to scroll all the way to the right. You're going to go to vehicle settings and press the center button. Scroll down to maintenance reset. And then scroll up to yes. And the maintenance reset is complete. Go ahead and just press the back. Go whatever screen you want from there. Once you fire the truck back up, you will no longer be met with the maintenance required light. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and if it did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more straight to the point how-to videos.